Rainy Thursday morning. The roads were super wet as I was coming into work this morning. And while a lot of this is just showers, we do have some pockets of heavier rain as well. So be prepared for that as you're heading out the door. Let's take a closer look at where we're seeing this rain, mainly along the coast right now. It's very slowly pushing ever so slightly west, though. So it will begin to push a little bit farther inland, but especially for the morning hours, we're looking at quite a bit of coastal rain. Right now, North Passage through Jupiter, down into Marisol, Juneau Isles, North Palm Beach, all dealing with some rain, and that's stretching into Riviera Beach and the West Palm Beach area over 95 in the Turnpike. Most of the rain that we're seeing right now in Palm Beach County, Gulf Stream down into Delray Beach and Yamato, as well as Boca Raton, getting some rain. So there's more where that came from. So do expect the roads to be wet as you're heading out this morning. Also starting to see a little bit of patchy fog developing in Okeechobee. Right now it does not look too bad, but it is something I'll keep an eye on. Heading through the day, scattered rainfall remains in the forecast. I think the highest rain chances are this morning, but I am keeping scattered rainfall in the forecast the rest of the day, as we will have that frontal boundary hanging around our area that is helping to spark up these showers. Your temperatures right now, a range of 60s across the area. 61 in Okeechobee, 66 in Fort Pierce, 69 in West Palm Beach. So temperatures across the area are, for some, a little bit warmer than they were yesterday morning. You may notice that difference. Lower 70s through 9 a.m., mid 70s by 11 o'clock. So your hour by hour shows that we warm up fairly quickly again today. We'll be in the upper 70s by your lunch hour with that scattered rainfall continuing. Your 7-day forecast shows that above average temperatures continuing through Friday. And then we have a bit of a cool down heading into Saturday. Temperatures will be a bit milder over this weekend with highs in the mid 70s. For your New Year's Eve, a stray shower is possible Saturday afternoon or evening, but rain chances really aren't that high. Rain chances do begin to go up as we head into New Year's Day, though. So if you're planning out your New Year's Eve plans, I think it's going to be just fine for you. New Year's Day, particularly Monday afternoon, we start to see those rain chances go up, and we could have a couple storms around as well. That's going to last into early Tuesday, becoming windy and wet, and then cooling off even more Tuesday and Wednesday.